Hello everyone, welcome back to Research Rover. In this quick video, we will learn how to create 2-column and 3-column list in MS Word. So for this, I have just opened a new document in which a random list of items is appeared in just one column. So you have to just go to Home tab first, then go to Show and Hide paragraph to select this. After doing this, just go to the end of your item, and if there's no any text after this, just simply click on enter. Then select all items carefully. After doing this, go to layout tab, then go to page setup and select column. Here you can select 2 or 3 column. I'm selecting 3 column. Here's it is. Here's a section break, you can say. So that's how you can make 2 or 3 columns list in your MS Word. Now select all, control A shortcut key, go to Home tab, then again click on this Show Hide button to disappear it. So that's how you can make a 2 or 3 column list in MS Word, and also you can make it or format it with the help of ruler. So for this, go to View tab, then go to Show ribbon and select ruler. Check it like this. Here's a ruler appears on the top and left side of your document. You can adjust your list as well by selecting and adjusting these margins. So this was all about how to make list. So feel free to leave me a comment if there is a specific topic that you would like to me to explain. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.